Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. The Hello Summer release is now live in the shop, and it is full of summery crafting must-haves. Today I've created a card with minimal stamping featuring the beautiful Beach Scene A7 Coverplate die. So let's get started. First, I die cut the Beach Scene Coverplate using scraps from a variety of cardstocks and glitter cardstocks. I also die cut the palm tree from the Beach House Builder add-on dies. I decided to keep my card sized to an A2 panel, so I start by simply adding adhesive to the base. Then I simply paper piece the beach scene onto the A2 panel. If you know me, you know I love my ink blending, and this die set would certainly be perfect for an ink blended scene. But today I thought I'd show just how easily you can create a gorgeous card with some pretty cardstock and a little die cutting. Once I got all the layers in place, I trimmed off the overhang. Next, I arranged my palm tree on the scene and adhered it using the new Be Creative Precision Tip Glue from Honeybee Stamps. This glue is fantastic. It's a larger tube with a super fine tip, and I love how well it fits into the exclusive new glue holder. I didn't show this on the video, but I added a Velcro dot to my desktop and one on the base of the glue holder. When I'm working normally, I keep the glue holder firmly attached to my desk. The tip of the glue pen fits so securely in the holder that you can actually unscrew the glue using just one hand, which is perfect when I'm arranging intricate dies and don't want to move my hand. I used the new liquid glue for the tiny parts of the palm tree, and then used foam mounting tape for the largest part of the tree to give it a little dimension. I also die cut a few seabirds from the Beach House Builder add-on set with gray cardstock and adhered them to the card with liquid glue. The glue dries matte and clear, so it's great for tiny images. Off camera, I stamped the sentiment from Seabreeze onto black cardstock with Versamark and heat embossed it with white embossing powder. I die cut it with a coordinating die and adhered it to the card. To finish the card, I added a few accents with a white gel pen and Nouveau Crystal Glaze. I love how the hints of glitter in the gold and white cardstock give the card a little extra sparkle, and the scene is really brought to life with a fabulous beach scene die. You can find more information on the products I used today over on my blog, and there's a link to the shop in the YouTube description below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!